Are my edges still in? Oh yeah, okay, there they go. Jacket. All right, so I am zoomed all the way in, so we are real up close and personal, but that is okay, so that you guys will get a really good look at what the shadows look like. So I am going to I really want to use doilies, so I'm probably going to create something that I don't have them green, so probably going to create something that will look good with doilies. So these are what my brows look like. I did prime my eyes with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and then I set it with my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish powder that looks like that in the shade number 2. All right, so I was thinking about like getting all the stuff that I had related to Jackie, and a couple things came to mind, and those were her brushes that she created, that set that she created with Sigma, and I was like, duh, I'm going to use those brushes. So I think it came in like a pack of like 5 or so brushes, the F80, and then so the rest were like eye brushes. So we have a shader brush that we're going to use today, and the line perfector brush, it looks like that, and the diffused crease brush that the E38 that was one of Jackie's favorite brushes. So we are going to do that. So first, oops, I am going to take the shade. Here is what she looks like. Again, I'm first going to take Ginger on a MAC 224 brush, and I'm going to blow that out into the crease. So upon first swatch, you are going to get a little kickback, which doesn't bother me much, but as you can see, it picks up so much product, and if I just tap it off, you can kind of see the powder going away. But like I said, that does not bother me. I love a good brown crease color, so we are going to put that into our higher crease. And just kind of blend that out. So you don't need a lot of this shade, obviously, because it is super pigmented. So yeah, that is what that looks like, and I didn't have to take a lot at all. So look at that. You don't even have to do anything. Like, you could literally put this shade on and put a shimmer on and mascara and be out the door, or you can just use this is like my everyday kind of eyeshadow color, and you can just put it on and be out the door. So I'm down with Ginger. She is a winner. So again, I'm just gonna put it into that crease, my crease color again, and you can just see how this color just blends so easy, and it diffused, like, it's just really easy to blend, in my opinion. And I'm just really, like, I can literally do this all day. But just for video purposes, I'm going to build that color up just a little bit more. So I'm just going to take a little bit more Ginger and kind of just go back over it just a little bit more, just so you guys can see how, like, you can build the color up so it did get a little darker. Again, here, it did get a little darker, and I'll fix that there, but it did get a little darker. Like, it looks super smooth. You just see how smooth that looks. I love it. I like it. That color is a winner. All right, so next I am going to take, I don't know, like, you know how like some colors are just so pigmented that you're just kind of scared to see what they look like on top of each other? But I'm going to take credit. This nice brown color right here, it's like a plummy brown. I wouldn't say it's like super like chocolate brown. It is a plummy brown, excuse me. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to pop that here, and I'm not going to take it all the way into the crease like we took that ginger. So we'll see what that does. So here we go. Credit coming right up. So again, I think I got less fallout on credit, so you can see here, like I'm not getting any kind of like dusting besides the minimal fallout. So I'm down with her. All right, I'm scared. I'm just scared because, you know, like when shadows are too pigmented, I want like this palette to be like super user friendly, because I'm not gonna say like I'm like super like the guru of eyeshadow, because I'm not. But yeah, so we'll see. Oh, okay. Well, there she is. She is on and popping. I like her though. She's like not like black, but like you could tell like it's really plum, and I like that. I like that because a chocolate brown, you know, we have those in several palettes, but this plum though, yeah, you can just see how that just opened my eye. Like, ooh, I like that. I like that. I like that. All right, cool. So I'm gonna do it again here. Take just a little bit more credit, and you can just see how it just kind of comes, and you can just easily, like, look at that. Just look at that. Like, just look. I can like literally blend these shadows into nothingness. Like, that's how good they are. Like, I'm just literally wiggling this into my lash and then bringing it out. Wow. All right, so next is the start of the show. I've been talking about this eyeshadow since I saw it on her video, and oh my god, it is so pretty, like so pretty. And it is like a green, like, how did you describe this? Like a lime green, like, I don't know. Focus. There we go. Like, I'm just gonna swatch it again. Like that, I just don't know. It's just so pretty. And I love like different shimmer colors, and this is like super shimmery. I'm excited. All right, so I am going to use the MAC 239 brush, I think it is, the synthetic hair one, and this is No Fix Plus. I'm just gonna take this No Fix Plus, no nothing, just straight color. Just straight, like, look at that. That is so pretty. But I feel like I'm adding just a little bit more. So that is what it looks like. So it doesn't look as green on the eye, but let's try something different. I'm going to take some Fix Plus. I'm gonna take a little Fix Plus, put it on the brush, and see the payoff that I get from there. Fix Plus. Oh, shoot. Yep. A little Fix Plus. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's super nice. So I think with the Fix Plus, you can kind of see my camera's not picking up, but you can kind of see the green shift a lot better with that Fix Plus. It just really took everything to the next level. Wow, that's really pretty. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. I want to use, that is what it looks like so far. And just because I want to use like more color and things like that, I'm going to use Zam right there for my inner corner highlight. So I think this is a glitter. Like, look at that. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Wow. Yep, that's it. That's the one. Wow, that is super pretty. Super pretty. Alright, and just because I want to use edges, which is this orangey kind of color right there, I'm going to take her Sigma brush, the short shader E20 brush that looks like that, and I'm going to take edges around my water, like my inner rim here. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, maybe I shouldn't use edges because that is like super pigmented. Oh, okay. Okay, well, we see that edges is here to the party. Oh, y'all, I done messed up this whole look with edges because she is too pigmented. Oh wow, she is here. Okay, I'm going to use the Anastasia brush that came with the palette and use ginger to blend her out because she was here. And blend her out, y'all. And I'm really gonna blend her because it just really just did something there. Okay. Okay. And then I'm just gonna take a little credit right there to snap that on. And then just kind of make it flare out just a little bit. Alright, so I think there we go. We can kind of see. I am going to pop on some lashes and be right back. So I did pop on some lashes. These are the Miami Lily lashes that everybody knows what those look like. Jackie does wear those often. Yeah, so that is known in these streets. So I will say my favorite shades in the palette are definitely ginger. I love the shade. Zoala's is real cute. I cannot wait to play with these purples. So if you would like for me to play in those purples and pinks, let me know because I would definitely play in those.